kids! Today we're going to learn about the alphabet, words, and even a little bit of Spanish using these cool barn toys. Do you see what's written on the front of these barn toys? Yeah, it's the letters of the alphabet. Each barn has a capital letter here on the bottom and a lowercase letter here on top. Each barn also has a fun surprise inside. Let's check them out. This is the letter A. A makes the A or A sound. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's an alligator, and it happens to be blue. A is for alligator. In Spanish, we would say alligator. Can you chomp like an alligator? This barn has the letter B on it. B makes the B sound. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, it's a bat. B is for bat. In Spanish, we would say murciélago. Have you ever seen a bat flying around outside your house? This barn has the letter C on it. C makes the k or sometimes a s sound. Let's check this one out. Aw, it's a cat. C is for cat. In Spanish, cat is gato. Can you purr like a cat? This barn has the letter D on it. D makes the d sound. Let's see what's inside. Look how cute! It's a duck. D is for duck. The Spanish word for duck is pato. Can you quack like a duck? This next barn has the letter E on it. E makes the E or E sound. Let's check this one out. Look at that, it's an elephant. E is for elephant. In Spanish, we say elefante. Can you stomp like an elephant? Here's our next set of barns. This barn has the letter F. F makes the f sound. Let's see what's inside this one. Ooh, it's a fish. F is for fish. In Spanish, fish is pescado. Have you ever gone to an aquarium and seen fish? This barn has the letter G on it. G makes the g sound. Let's see what this one has. Yum, it's grapes. G is for grapes. In Spanish, you would say uva or uvas if you're talking about more than one grape. Do you like to eat grapes? This is the letter H. H makes the sound. What do you think is going to be inside this one? Whoa, it's a hippopotamus. H is for hippopotamus. In Spanish, we say hipopótamo. Have you ever seen a hippopotamus at the zoo? This barn has the letter I. I makes the it or I sounds. Let's see what's inside this one. Ooh, it's an island. I is for island. In Spanish, it's called isla. An island is land that is completely surrounded by water. Have you ever been to an island? This barn has the letter J on it. J makes the j sound. Let's see what this one has. Ooh, it's a piece of a jigsaw puzzle. J is for jigsaw. In Spanish, we say rompecabezas. What's the biggest jigsaw puzzle you've ever done? How many pieces was it? All right, here's some more barns. Let's keep it going. This barn has the letter K on it. K makes the k sound. Let's see what's inside. It's a key. K is for key. In Spanish, you would say llave. Have you ever used a key to lock a door? This barn has the letter L on it. It makes the l sound. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, it's a leaf from a tree. L is for leaf. In Spanish, we would say hoja. Do you like when the leaves fall off the trees in the fall? This barn has the letter M on it. M makes the m sound. What do you think's gonna be inside this one? It's a mushroom. M is for mushroom. In Spanish, we would say hongo. Do you like to have mushrooms on your pizza? This barn has the letter N on it. N makes the n sound. Let's check it out. How cool! It's a necklace. N is for necklace. In Spanish, it's called a collar. Do you ever wear a necklace? This next barn has the letter O on it. O makes the ah or O or even sometimes an ooh sound. Let's see what's inside this one. It's an orange. O is for orange. In Spanish, it's called naranja. Do you like to eat oranges? Here's some more barns. Let's keep going. This barn has the letter P on it. P makes the p sound. Let's see what's inside. Wow, it's a peanut. P is for peanut. In Spanish, we say cacahuate. Do you like to eat peanuts? Looks like our next barn has the letter Q on it. Q makes the qu sound. Let's see what it's got. Check this out. It's a queen. Q is for queen. In Spanish, you would call her a reina. Have you ever worn a crown like a queen? This barn has the letter R. It makes the r sound. Let's see what it's got. It's a rhinoceros. R is for rhinoceros. In Spanish, you would call it a rinoceronte. Have you ever seen a rhinoceros at the zoo? This next barn has the letter S. S makes the S sound. I wonder what's inside this one. Oh, yum! It's a sandwich. S is for sandwich. In Spanish, we would say sandwich. Do you like to eat sandwiches when you have lunch at school? This next barn has the letter T on it. T makes the t sound. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at this. It's a tooth. T is for tooth. In Spanish, it's called a diente. Have you ever lost a tooth? Got some more barns here. Let's see what they have. This barn has the letter U on it. U makes the or oo sound. What's gonna be inside this one? Ooh, it's an umbrella. U is for umbrella. In Spanish, we say paraguas. Do you ever need to use an umbrella when it rains? This next barn has the letter V on it. V makes the sound. What's gonna be inside this one? It's a vase. V is for vase. In Spanish, we say florero. Do you keep any flowers in vases at your house? This barn has the letter W on it. W makes the w sound. What could be inside this one? Wow, it's a watermelon. W is for watermelon. In Spanish, we call it sandia. Do you like to put watermelon inside your fruit salad? Okay, we got our last set of barns here. Let's see what they have. This barn has the letter X on it. X makes the x sound. What's gonna be inside this one? It's a xylophone. X is for xylophone. In Spanish, we say xylofono. Have you ever played a xylophone? This barn has the letter Y on it. Y makes the y sound. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, it's a yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. In Spanish, we would say yo-yo. Have you ever played with a yo-yo? They're kind of tricky. I'm not so good at it. Last but not least, this barn has the letter Z on it. Z makes the Z sound. Let's find out what's inside. Check it out, it's a zipper. Z is for zipper. In Spanish, we would say cremallera. Do you have a jacket that uses a zipper? All right, we did it. We got through every letter of the alphabet. It was so much fun learning about letters, words, and even a little Spanish. Hope you had fun too. I'll see you again next time. Bye.